Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone messages and iMessage showing only numbers on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you are facing this issue and you're unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply restart your device for one time, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open your app store and search here for messages, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of messages app on your device first. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then go to iCloud, and from here you have to simply scroll it below, or you have to simply tap on see all from here, and then you have to simply scroll it below and turn on the toggle for contacts from here if it is off. So guys, simply you have to simply turn it on if it is off, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.